mentioned like in your resume, I could see you are using Cucumber, Gradle, Maven, Jenkins, and Sasler. So you have like continuous integration testing also configured for your current framework.
Yeah.
And so you are using TestNG, correct? Not JUnit with Cucumber.
Yeah, TestNG we are using. With Selenium we are using TestNG. Cucumber I have worked on that, but for very less time I have worked on that Cucumber.
Okay. So what are the different TestNG annotations that you use?
Other test annotation we are using, and it has different annotations after suit, before suit, after suit, after test, before test, then before group, after group we have, and at the rate test, after method, and before method. So these annotations are there for the.
Okay. So how to run group-based test cases? Suppose if I want to run 10 test cases as a group, so how I can configure and run?
Yeah, so we can make use of this testng.xml file, and there we can provide it like whatever the group name that we have given, so we can include that and we can run it from testng.xml file.
Okay, so what are TestNG listeners?
TestNG listeners are like just to so many events will occur, right? So we are making use of it so that on occurrence of exactly. So for TestNG listeners, we are making use of that listener, and when on occurrence of that event, like suppose that test is a pass or it's a fail. So on those kind of events, if we want to perform some action to be performed, then we can make use of it. So because of that, we are using listener.
Okay. So which library files or HTML files you are using for reports?
We are using emailable reports. Like suppose we are running some tests, and we have some kind of conditions that clients won't accept if because of the application and environment instability. So what they used to say, 20 times we should be running. So we are making use of that invocation count, and emailable reports we are sharing to them so that they will close that story, and whatever the script that we have completed, they will move it to master. So we are making use of it.
Okay. So what is the difference between just a moment. So what is the difference between abstract class and an interface?
Abstract class and interface, they can have unimplemented methods just if we want to extend it. In an interface, all the methods are abstract only. Unimplemented methods will be there, and when suppose we want that methods to be modified, we can extend it, and then we can implement it and in the child class. So abstract class is also same, but it can have some implemented methods also, but that is not the case with the interface.
Okay, can you give me one scenario for each, one for method overloading and one for method overriding that you used in your current framework?
So for method overloading, we had one method as where we were passing the states and the LOB, and for the one feature we had developed for related to the ITV accuracy. So the customer wants to be accurate with the exterior and the interior characteristics, whatever they are gathering for the homeowner's flow. So for that, we were passing sometimes the state and the LOB, and sometimes we were passing the state only. So that's how it's different. So that's the case for method overloading. And for method overriding, in the base class we had some methods which were not properly implemented because we wanted to, it has 3 channels. So for that reason, we implemented it on the, for each channel it is different. So we had implemented that. So that's the overriding where we were extending the base class.
Okay. So what are the initialization methods that you are using?
Initialization sorry, I didn't get this.
No, how to initialize your driver and how to initialize your reports. So you would have used any some methods, right, to initialize?
For driver, you are saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, like for running there in the source lab and all, we have written one method which is making use of the desired capabilities and remote driver, and from there it is taking. So what we are doing, we had one Excel sheet where we are keeping the data. I mean, where the from where the user wants to run it. So we are providing the data, and there we are giving the value as Y or N, and then it is fetching the browser name from there, and then it is running.
So you are using config file. For data, you are using Excel.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can open the chat. So I bring you a scenario. You just try to provide me the file. So I have a string here. So the scenario is to verify the details. So only one character means let us suppose we can take I. So your scenario is to verify how many times I is repeated in the string.
Okay, I is repeated in the string.
Yeah.
So what we can do is, we can store in the character array, and then we can iterate it as you only want the count for I. So we can whenever the character will be equals to I, at that time we'll increase the count, and then at last we can print that count. We can iterate it.
Can you write pseudocode in the chat? Okay, that's fine. So, what are the challenges or issues that you faced while automating or while running the script?
For automating the script, I have faced, there is one page which is a bit complex, where we are calculating the premium and all. So, there we faced many challenges because the coverage and all which we are getting, will be getting it in the tabular format, and it will not be, it's a kind of a dynamic only. So the web table of code which we have used, so for that it was a bit difficult for me, and the application issues, because some of the times it will not work. So because of that, we had implemented that retry count, so that that retry count also we are providing it in the Excel, so that how many times, because on the daily basis, like we are running the regression suits. So the regression suits will let us know, like today how much percent that environment is stable. So based on the stability, we increase or decrease the retry count, and then we used to run and try. So the application instability was the hurdle that I faced. So that has been improved after running this. Like we are sending the mails to the corresponding team so that they can look into the issues and all.
Okay. So what are different kinds of exceptions that you will receive, like while executing any automation steps. You can explain only like Selenium specific exception.
Okay. So I mean, for locating any element, if it's related to some expat or something, some locator issue, then we used to get this element not found exception, or sometimes no such element exception that we used to get. I mean, sometimes and then we need to suppose the same type of locator is there, then we were using numbers we were using, right, 1, 2, and when it is occurring, something like that, and so that we have overcome it, and sometimes frame related issues also we have got, so those sort of exceptions.
Okay. So you mentioned like you faced some challenges while working on web tables, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in that case, can you explain me one scenario? See, I have a small table which is having 2 columns and rows will change dynamically. Okay. So we have to fetch the value present in the row number 5. That means serial number you will get 5. So how we can fetch it?
Row you want it to be fetched, I mean serial number 5?
Yes. So based on serial number 5, you have to fetch the name present in that row.
Okay. So how it will be is first we'll be locating it with the help of the table name. So we'll navigate to there, the table name, and then based on that we'll be calculating that, I mean how many rows will be there. So we'll be making use of the ID or some if CR or some row's name is there, I mean depending on the developer code which we can see through inspect. So we'll write that, and then we'll make use of like fifth is there, right? So and then after that we'll be checking for that I mean TD, like the data columns with that data we'll be checking it, and then dot get text we can do, and then we can assert it.
So you mentioned asserts, right? So how we can pass our failed test case, and how we can send the like just information message to the result files?
Yeah, I mean normally if we are keeping the hard asserts, so at that time it will fail. I mean that particular test case will fail. But if we want just to like it will I mean it shouldn't stop the test case execution, then we can use this stop assert at that time.
Okay. So what are different kinds of assertions?
Yeah, we have hard assertion and soft assertion. So in hard assertion also we have different asserts, like all the overloaded kind of methods which will differ in the parameters. So it's there. I mean we can assert the string value as well as the boolean some answers, or we can keep some conditions and the search through a search for, like that also we can keep.
Okay. So next scenario is we can open the chart window. Okay. So there is a drop down. Okay. So it is a country drop down. It's a country drop down.
Okay.
So you have to verify whether India is present or not.
Okay. Okay, so for this what we can do is I mean select that we'll be locating that particular drop down, I mean that through the select class, and then as so India will be the visible text only, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can like select
option is not present. So what is the output like? What you will do? Our scenario, you got my scenario, right? So our scenario is to verify whether India is present or not. Suppose if you directly try to select, right, if that dropdown is not present, so obviously that will fail, that execution will fail.
Yeah.
Okay. So
we can use that. Otherwise, we can keep all the elements. Whatever the options are there in the list, and then we can iterate it, and we can find out like whether that option is there or not. We can make use of this, find elements, and then we can keep it.
Okay. Okay. Have you used any regular expression in Expert?
Regular expression as in, normally like contents dot or something we have used, just to get the text and all.
Okay.
Text in the XML site we have used, to get the group name and all, we have make use of it.
So have you worked on any parallel executions or cross-browser testing?
Yeah.
Can you explain me like what exactly you did and what you verified?
So for parallel testing, we can use that keyword in testing.xml site, which can accept test methods, classes, and these things. So we can just write it there, parallel is equal to. So it will help us to execute it parallelly. And then apart from that, for cross-browser testing, what we are doing is we are taking help of Source Labs. So there we are running it in various platforms and in different browsers.
So how will you integrating your test?
Through the Selenium grid we are integrating it.
Okay. So how to configure a grid? Selenium.
Actually, I didn't get a chance to work on that because at that time itself it was developed. But we can make use of this. That hub and that particular link will be there. The port number and all, and like that we need to set it up through this remote web driver, and through desired capabilities we can do it.
Okay. So which version control tool you are using?
We are using Git.
Okay. Suppose if there is any conflict, how will you resolve it manually while checking in the code?
Normally if a conflict occurs, so at that time it's like the same file, two-person or two developers are working on it, right? So at that time we need to check to the corresponding team also, like whether the changes that they have made should be present there or not, or is it only enough for our, so that we can keep our change only and we can start their change. So we need to discuss that, and then similarly we need to come up with it, and we need to delete that, or else if we want that code to be present somewhere else so that it can function well, we can do that.
Okay. So you are working on agile methodology, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So automation, how you are tracking your status? Suppose if you are designing any script or executing any script, so if it you miss this miss the update, or there is some issue, you are not able to complete the script in this current script. So in that case, how will you track?
Jira is there. We are using Jira for that.
Okay.
So earlier it was RTP, but now we are using Jira. So there we are creating a story based on the feature that we are getting. and then we'll assign the points to that. And if we are seeing any challenges from our end, or it's a delay from the development end, so at that time we are raising the flag in some risk we are raising it. So before that planning itself, we use identify that. I mean, whether we are seeing some risk for that and all. And for daily updates, we are providing the updates in the story itself, like how many scripts and how much percentage we have automated for that. So we are keeping a track to that.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.